Well, let's start with the big story of the day, and this is coming in from the national capital. From streets to Sansad, the tables have now turned, and how? After days of opposition protests demanding answers from the Home Minister, yesterday it was the turn of the NDA MPs to hold the placards, something that you can see there on the screen, marching from the Parliament Library towards the Makardwar, demanding answers from Rahul Gandhi instead. Listen in.
अमित शाह सदन में आओ। अमित शाह सदन में आओ। सदन में आओ। सदन में आओ। अमित शाह माफी मांगो। अमित शाह सदन में आओ। सदन में आओ। सदन में आओ। अमित शाह सदन में आओ। अमित शाह शर्म करो। अमित शाह शर्म करो।
And now, effectively, the opposition's Dharna Mat Bhagna Mat attack has been returned to centre. The sender, and what has triggered this reverse? Well, there have been two updates. First, disturbing images of the police action against protesting job aspirants in Jharkhand, something that we saw day before yesterday. A state governed by the Congress party-backed alliance, and Rahul Gandhi's reluctance to take a hard stance on that. Barbed wires were put up across the barricades. Police used lathi against the protesting students, and tear gas shells were also fired. To add to this, Devendranath Mahato, who has been on the hunger strike since this protest started, was taken to the hospital. And these updates have drawn comparison with the scenes, remember, at Jantar Mantar, the very kind of the police action that had earlier triggered sharp criticism from Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. And the second is that the central government's position that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is ready not to merely make a statement in the parliament, but to also participate in the detailed discussion on the student protest and the police action. This is precisely the demand of the opposition that they've been raising since Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. The Congress party has been demanding accountability from the Home Minister over the police action during the Jantar Mantar protest and subsequent march towards the parliament. However, while Amit Shah is ready to respond to the allegations surrounding Jantar Mantar crackdown, Rahul Gandhi is yet to address a press conference on the police violence that we saw in Ranchi day before yesterday. The Bharatiya Janata Party is now asking if the accountability is the principle, why does it not apply to Ranchi? And if Union Home Minister Amit Shah is ready for a debate, who exactly is running away now? Is it Rahul Gandhi? Listen in.
तो अभी ये हमारा देश के लोगों के सामने में साफ हो गया कि हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है और कांग्रेस चर्चा से भाग रहे हैं। दो चीज आपको क्लियर समझना होगा। राहुल गांधी जी ने शुरू से क्या कहा था? गृह मंत्री स्टेटमेंट देना चाहिए। हम कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ स्टेटमेंट ही क्यों, हम फुल डिस्कशन कर देंगे।
We are protesting because Mr. Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Congress party is not letting us speak in the parliament. They are not participating in the debate. When Honorable Home Minister is ready to reply in the House, why is the Congress party running away from the debate? I can assure you today, the way they have done it in the past, when Prime Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. When earlier also, Home Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. And even today, when he's ready to reply, they are not. The Congress is not ready to come to the House. So the issue is, they have held the Parliament to ransom. On the other hand, when the students in Jharkhand, the youth of Jharkhand is on the street for their demands, they are not heard properly, and their lathi charge, and look at the kind of violence being used by
झारखंड में क्या हुआ है उसके लिए झारखंड का राहुल गांधी जी वहाँ मुख्यमंत्री नहीं है, राहुल गांधी जी वहाँ होम मिनिस्टर नहीं है।
And meanwhile, sources have told Times Now that the central government is trying to build a consensus even on the FCRA bill. If that fails, the bill is likely to be referred to the Joint Parliamentary Committee. So what remains to be seen is whether the Parliament will function productively on the second last day of the monsoon session, or whether proceedings are once again marred by disruptions, slogans and protests, something that we have been witnessing in the last few days. And now moving on.